Hi all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS institutions. This is actually a new video which is based on the topic called software engineering. So in this topic, software engineering, the first unit that we are going to see is software process in agile development. In the software process in agile development, the first topic that has been introduced is introduction to software engineering. So before starting with any of the concept of any of the process, the introduction is must, and this unit of software process and agile development is something which is based on how to develop a software, what are all the process involved in it, and how agile, that is how basic and how authenticated is a software, and how we have to take care of the software development phase in an efficient way. So come, let us see what is the basic concepts of introduction to software engineering. So before getting into the topic, we have to get to know what is software engineering. Software engineering is nothing but making things or making projects in an efficient way, and it gives you a structured way of how to deal with a project. Okay, so you have to have different kinds of time limits. It has different kinds of reliability, quality, etc. Software engineering also deals with development and maintenance, cost, etc. You have to follow certain discipline in maintaining a software, and that is where the software engineering is dealt with. Now, what are all the problems that could be faced in software engineering is there are certain there's not actually certain, there are many problems that is dealt with this software. The first thing is there could be a failure in the software. Next, it could be because of the poor usability. The next topic is the next thing is the requirements. The requirements could be changed then and there based on the process. There could be many errors associated with it, and the last thing is the team coordination, and this is one of the most difficult thing because it doesn't deal with just a person, it is dealt with many other persons together. Now, there are certain software crises, like there are certain software problems that is evolving then and there. It could be increasing demand, increasing the complexity, increasing the challenges. Next, you have to have the work frame. Like the work frame is nothing but the workflow of whatever project you are doing with. It has the same work frame. It could be of the same methodology, and it could be of the same tool that you use. Now, how is and what is the software engineering approach, and how we have to approach a software is nothing but you have to first develop a structured process. Next, you have to have a standard model. You have to design the project. Next, you have to see the quality of whatever design you have been built with. Next, you have to see what is the risk that is associated with it. Now, so we are now going to see what are all the benefits of software engineering. Software engineering has n large of benefits that is associated. That is nothing but the software quality will be improved. You can reduce the cost. You can do the project on time. The maintenance become easier, and satisfaction also becomes increased over here. So now, again, why are we using software engineering? Software engineering is like architecturing the demanding needs of a project, the different kinds of models, the different interface between the components. The documentations that you prepare is also based on the software engineering concepts. Now, so this is what we have seen in the software engineering concept. This is the basic thing that we have seen in today's class. That is nothing but there are different needs of software engineering, the software crisis, different types of approaches that we behave, the benefits that take place, and the different types of prototyping process. Here are certain reference links that you can refer with the software engineering topic, that is introduction to software engineering topic. Now, here is one of the basic questions that is associated with the software engineering, that is related to a company called Google. The question is which one concept of the CAP theorem are continuously choosing to sacrifice? One is consistency, availability, partition tolerance, and durability. The answer for this is consistency. So this is all about software engineering, and the actual phase of how the software could be evolved, and what are all the different kinds of process that is evolved in the software engineering, the needs, the process, the advantages, the uses, etc. So I hope that you understood the topic in an efficient way. I'll meet you in the other video. Till then, thank you.